and it is in the field of that computer research, that computer science research. There are lot of studies are going on, and their software and then the machines are like the research is related to that using of that software and enabling machines to perceive the environment and use learning intelligence, and that way what is happening, they are like achieving that particular defined goal, whatever you have kind of having that in mind to solve the problem. So, it is like the research is pushing that usage of that particular technology, and by using this particular software and machine languages and all, this particular thing is resolved. Now, some high profile applications of artificial intelligence, we know that web search we are doing in the Google, that Google search, everybody do that thing. So, how that particular thing is done, or recommendation system, you go for the purchase, or when you search some word, automatically the advertise related to that start coming, right. Or there is a something like a human speech